Dear good YouTube, comes the tatu. Sorry I have to do this on my webcam. I have been a little bit silly. I was I was horse riding yesterday and went back to a mate of mine's house in Maynooth and had very lovely soup and tea and completely forgot that I had left my jacket on the sofa in the other room. So A, I left my jacket, and B, I left my camera in the jacket. So hopefully I'll get it back by Wednesday. That means I can still scout and train parkour for the video this week, but I can't shoot it. But we'll see what happens. Maybe my sister can lend me her camera when she gets back. But anywho, that's just that. I was out kayaking in Dunleary on Saturday, which was good. It was good fun. Except for the fact that it was storm force winds. But thankfully we didn't leave the harbour. But it was still very fucking windy still, because the the when the wind speed picks up, the wind shadow lessens. I think if I remember correctly, if you say have wind blowing over the top of the mountain, it'll land about seven times the distance of the mountain. So if the mountain's 100 meters high and the wind is blowing over it, it'll land about 700 meters away, and then that's what's called the shadow of the mountain. Anyway, that's just a little bit of sailing useless terminology for you. Sorry for the morning hair. It's just I'm still in bed. It's 9:40 in the morning. I woke up about an hour ago, but I just couldn't be arsed to get out of bed. So that's that. Also, thank you, Luke, for mentioning me in the video. I left a pretty cruel comment. I did warn you about yawning, and I yawned twice watching your video. So that's why I'm saying we can do all three of them together, halfway down a cliff. Just an idea. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get out today. I want to go and get a few bits and pieces and do some cooking. I have a hankering for Catalina and chicken. But so I'll do that, and then I'll practice a bit of parkour, go for a run. I really should start running just to get myself into a little bit of shape again for Run-a-Muck in March. I'll put a link to the Run-a-Muck website below. It's basically you can do a 5 or a 10k version of it. It's this mud bog assault course type race in Kildare, and it's great fun. Did it last year, did the 5k. I'm hoping to do 10k this year, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, other than that, I look like shit, so I'm going to go and try and make myself look a bit stupid. I'm going to go try and make myself look and feel a little more human. Go from agat YouTube, agat Slán.